welcome back to my channel. So today with Lady A, we have a lot to do. Honeys, there's gonna be quite a few videos. I'm gonna combine, what is it, June and July's boxes, because my apologies, summertime's, man, freaking summertime, you know, it's busy time, yes. Yes, so we're gonna do 2 Sephora boxes, 2 Ipsy boxes, and I have a special first time unboxing for you guys. Oh my goodness! Yes! Woo! Okay, so let's get started. On this one, we're gonna do our Sephoras. I made sure to separate the month boxes so we can do it. But here's our Sephora Play box. This is June's. And again, these subscriptions are $10 a month. It's a curated box for you. It's a beauty box. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. Bam! Woo! Okay, so here's what the box looks like. Ooh. I'll try not to look at the spoilers in the back because dang it! Ugh. They're so good. Oh, I'm not looking. But here's what they give you. Ooh, so nice and fun. Yes, did not look, and we toss. It's out. Ooh. My poochie's right there. Sorry, little pup. I spooked him. I didn't hit him. I spooked him. All right. Okay. Whew. I'm excited. I'm hoping June and July month will be pretty good to us because the past few times they haven't, and I've been debating canceling, so I think these 2 will definitely be the final decision. So let's see what we got. Let's start with the first one. Plastic baggie, probably extra protection because this looks like it's by Chlorine Laboratories. It's an anti-pollution shampoo and anti-pollution protective conditioner with aquatic mint. Ooh. So here you go. Let's see these guys for you. Boop, 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 boop. Yep. Probably 2 use samples. 2. Yeah. Okay. You know what? It's okay. Not my favorite. Not my jam. You know, not my jam. But let's continue. Next one, it's a Sephora Hya Super It's a hyaluronic acid, which I know is amazing. So there's that. And then let's pop this bad boy out, toss the box. A nice little serum. Has a somewhat of a cleansing smell, but there's that guy for you. Yes, yes. So that one's okay. I'm totally down for that one. That one's totally down for it. Moving on. We have the white. Is this? It's all sticky. Icky, did something leak? Ew, gross. Okay, let's be careful here. It is by Herbivore, a rose hibiscus coconut water hydrating face mist. Totally down for that. Totally. There's the bottle for you. Yes, yes. Just spit some in the air. Sticky. Coconut and more of like a funky rose smell. Yeah, it smells funky, like old distilled rose petals, something like that. So meh. Okay, next up, ooh, it's by Laneige. It's the lip sleeping mask. Oh man, oh that's exciting. That's real exciting. Let's just pop that guy open. Here we go. Toss the box, and we're moving on. There's the little thing for you. Okay. That smells good. It's like a nice strawberry. Oh geez. Oh man, that's that's goopy. Look at that goopy stuff. Man, that smells good. That's like candy strawberries. Just a little thing. Moisturizing and tacky. Kind of like a tacky chapstick. That's okay. It's cool. Oh, it smells so good. Moving on. Okay, this is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Ooh, a cleansing balm. Smells very familiar. Oh God, I can't put my finger on it. Ah, it's gonna irritate me. Just checking the ingredients here, if there's any. I don't think there's gonna tell me any. God, I know this scent. I know it. I can't think of it, but it's that guy right there. It's some sort of herbal seasonings, and I just, that's spacing it. Okay, whoop, last one. What do we got here? Ooh, it's by Tarte. It's a Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation with sunscreen. SPF 20. Not enough for my face. I need like 50. My mama can tell you that. I'm so delicate. Hey, that's pretty cool though. It's pretty cool. That's a nice, decent little sample there, if I do say so myself. And this color is Fair Light Sand. Let's, here, I'll swatch it on this one. Actually, just right there's fine. Come on. Just a little bit's good with me. Oh. It's, okay, it's blending in. It came out a little more yellow, but it's blending in. So, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I was a little worried because it's a good sample, but it is good. Okay, we're good. Okay. Okay, that was June. That was June. It was all June. June shenanigans. Okay. I liked this one, the Tarte. I really like the Laneige one, and strawberries. This one I'm excited, and it's still gonna bother me till I know. And then the hyaluronic acid is definitely a keeper. The rest, meh, but hey, that's like 6 products there. 4 to 6, hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, June did good. Let's move on to July. Ah! Oh, explosion. Okay, don't panic here. Here's July's box. Hook that on over. Okay, I'll try not to look at the back. And whoopee! God, I peeked a smidge. I didn't mean to, but here's the little thing. Not looking. Tells you the stuff on the back. Not looking. Okay, let's just get into it. Let's just do this. I'm over it. Let's see here. Ooh, it's by Drunk Elephant. Heck yeah! It is a makeup melting butter cleanser with a bamboo booster. Oh yes. Yes. Oh yeah, hang on, look. It's your little bamboo booster. What the fudge? It's all grainy. Hold on, let me read this. You add it. It's like an exfoliator. You add it to the little makeup melting thing. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Man, it doesn't really have a scent. But hey, Drunken Elephant is like a pretty good brand there. So, okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right, that's pretty big. It's by Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. Meh. I'm not really into like shampoo and conditioner samples, guys. Oh, it's great. It's got a nice smell though. Very nice smell. Okay, next up, it's by Bite. This is a little, oh, balls. Hang on. I get the same one again. Like again? The color is Glace? Yeah, I already got it. Oh, balls. Alright, I'll swatch this one. I'm gonna give away that guy. But, here's that. Oh, and then let's do a little swatch for you. Like, it's not a bad color. It's not. But dang it. Oh, bull sack. I already got this. Like, dang nabbit. Oh, that's twice. Twice. Within like 3 months. I think it was like in May box. Oh, jeez. Disappointing. Disappointing, guys. Okay, next up. Ooh. Kadali Paris. It's a serum, a skin perfecting serum. Okay, all about them serums. Your face is very important, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, don't sploosh. Oh, I splooshed it. It's got a nice, not minty. Close. Maybe like a, it's like a spicy minty smell. Ah, oh, gosh, I just don't know, man. Trying to see. Rosemary. Yeah, rosemary. Ooh, very tingly, very like cooling, very cooling. Okay, that one's okay. Moving on. It's by Clinique. The oh gosh, it's so see-through. Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Hey, that's pretty cool. I've had this before. It's decent. It's always good to have on hand in case of those emergencies when you run out of your other stuff. It's the last product, ladies and gentlemen. Juliet has a gun, and it's not a perfume. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. What a lying box. It's a perfume. Oh, hang on, let me write down something here. It's okay. It's like, it's got a hint of a grandma smell. No offense, ladies. Not my thing. Not my thing at all. It's like a clean grandma smell. No, not my thing. So, yeah. Yeah, the only thing I was liking was this drunk elephant and the serum. I mean, it's cool to have this on hand, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. I've been doing the Sephora Play box for over a year. In the past 4 months now, I'm disappointed. I think I'm gonna call this one quits. Yeah. Yeah. Call this one quits. But okay, thanks. Thank you for joining me today with Lady A. That was June and July's boxes of our Sephora Play box. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope to see you again soon, because I have Ipsies in that special box to unbox, so stay tuned for more. Wow! Ah! Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Woo! Woo! Woo!